Hey there, investors! If you're diving into the world of XRP, you might be wondering how to keep those pesky transaction fees in check. Let's break it down. Firstly, every XRP transaction carries a small, unavoidable fee, typically just 0.00001 XRP. This fee helps prevent spam on the blockchain. While it's minimal, frequent transactions can add up. So how can you minimize costs? Tip number 1, consolidate your transactions. Instead of making multiple smaller transfers, combine them into a single larger one. This reduces the number of fees you'll pay overall. Next, choose your wallet or exchange platform wisely. Some platforms tack on extra fees for XRP withdrawals or transfers on top of the network's base fee. Look for wallets and exchanges that offer low or no additional fees. Doing a bit of research here can save you a lot in the long run. Remember, while you can't avoid the network fee, you can certainly minimize additional costs. By consolidating transactions and choosing the right platform, you'll keep more of your hard-earned XRP where it belongs, in your wallet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on maximizing your crypto investment.